little cove. Got a little cove over here. Let's see if we can drop anchor, maybe get at some largies. Here we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Hey. Hang on up my line. That ain't too bad. There we go. First striper of the morning. What do you think about that, baby?
Good.
Ain't too bad.
Put it on the grill right now.
So I just got my first striper for the morning. Very happy about that. Got the wife back there. There she is. So it's been a little difficult catching stripers right now on lures. We haven't had a whole lot of winds. So most of it's been live bait, shad is what everybody's catching it on now. But give it a few more weeks, get those winds rolling in, they should start hitting up on the east flats and get a little bit of topwater action. Alright y'all, we're back. Ran into Miss Heidi over here. On that 2015 Hobie Outback. We like that pretty hat.
Why, thank you. Thank you.
You look shaded.
When I grabbed it, I put it, you know, I don't offer a whole lot of shaded. Oh well, what I got.
That's funny. Oh, that woman got the fastest boat. She's always behind me. Come on, girl. Put them legs to work.
Like I do.
Yeah.
I'll go really hard, then I'll switch off.
Man, look at all that damage. My goodness. What a mess. Good Lord. Look at that boat. That boat's sinking. That boat is sunk. It looks like a lowrider. Man, look at all that damage. Yeah, that boat don't look like it's doing too good. So we're out here today for my boy's birthday. He got himself a Hobie Compass not too long ago. It's his first day out on it. And he's had quite a few Hobies before. So he's just out here checking this one out. You bending any rods yet? Yeah? Man, there's a mess of fish below me.
I'm using my map to follow the top of it.
Yeah. How you liking that boat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Not a lot of boats with water smell.
Yeah. GoPro, stop recording. All right, we made it back to the cabin. We'll take a break, get something to eat. Waiting for the old lady to get back over here. She's way out there. She's getting a whooping today. There she is. We'll get back out in the water after lunch. We're gonna check out these Guggen saucy swimmers. Let's see if we can hit some stripers on old babies. Uh-oh.
Golly. That one little piece of freaking bone.
There's drone action going. What?
Why is that the maximum flight altitude?
There we go. Got a camera on that thing? Yeah. Yeah. Man, that thing takes off. Check that out.
It's been a while since I flew this thing.
Yeah.
We can see each other.
Hey, what you looking at?
It hurts a little too when you get whacked by it.
Stick your finger in there, I dare you.
Found it.
Landing.
All right, I just got the grill going. We're gonna throw a fish on the grill. Lunchtime. Today, Cisco's birthday is, he's an old man now.
So how old am I? I always think 34. For some reason, that's just stuck in my mind.
She thinks I'm 34 all the time.
You'll just be 34 forever.
Old man.
I mean 78, I'm sorry.
Yep. Best
78.
year. Best year there ever was.
Hey, we got you rolled out, Cisco. 78 babies right here.
That's right.
We need to go sell all those kayaks and just buy the boat that's next to it.
Yeah, we need a boat.
That would make it a lot faster.
All right. Take a walk around. Check it out. Beautiful day today. Here on Lake Texoma. Oh, check out that 4Runner.
Mama's Secret sauce. Yeah,
Asian sauce.
it's Mama's Secret sauce. I don't know. She didn't tell me. Yep.
It looks like pineapple.
Let's do it. Gonna get a fork. Check the fish. We got some forks at. Bam!
Look at the birds already.
Oh man, look, his eyeballs are white. Oh yeah, yeah,
He's got good.
yeah. He's looking good. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Time to eat, baby. Time to eat. Hey man, look. Look like I got chichis.
Yep. Look, Warm has boobies.
I got boobies. Man ain't supposed to wear bras. Well, I wear a bra.
Homer does.
I wear a camera bra.
You feel like you're wearing a bra?
I got a bra on. It's holding my boobies up.
Do you feel?
These tatas can make some money.
There's not enough tacos.
I start dancing on a tree, I don't know. And when you come in a cabin and you see these folks up above the fireplace, makes you kind of think, am I gonna sleep tonight?
Yeah, especially that. I thought about that last night.
You know, it's good. I thought about it briefly when I saw the picture.
These the folks that used to live here.
They used to own this land.
That old man looks like a miserable son of a. He looked like he'll whoop somebody there.
Our families and our